Right, so very sunny day today, pleasant weather we're having, and I want to introduce you to this Scania i500. This is a 65 ton metre crane on her by Hiab, very reliable equipment. This one's obviously got the front stabilisers on her, the stabiliser legs mid and rear. Now this one does have the extensions going on the back there, so if you wanted to take larger side cabins, longer product, we do have the extension pieces at the back, so that comes out and extends an extra metre. So also on this one we have the coupling. We do have trailers on sale if you want to take a trailer as well. Further down we have the locking points for either the side cabin or the containers, as we said. This one's full air suspension, so all the legs down, all the loads now pressed down, so you're not going to twist your axle or your chassis or whatever. So as you can see, our colleague there is just unpacking the crane. We're going to give you a quick demonstration and the length that it'll go to. We've also got, I would say, a limited load of 3.5 tons. Will go out to 12.5 metres if you want to relate that to your application. So the kilometre reading on this is very low. It's only 200,000 kilometres, barely done any work. As you can see, the condition of the crane is immaculate. It has a Lola certificate with it. It'll come out with a full MOT. Have a quick look inside. Full leather seats, got the fridge, freezer, boxes. No micro are they, I'm afraid, but never mind. So, very comfortable place to be. Nice large bed. And as we said, low kilometres, if I could see the reading on that, 121,000 miles. If you want to get more information about this,